Namaskar to you all. Welcome in our journey to raise intelligent kids. Some time back in my class with children, I asked them the question, why are you here? What makes you here? What keeps you alive? And what makes you exist? So I asked one of the kids to write the list on the chart, and we came up with incredibly large number of things on which we depend. To start with, on earth, well, the earth has to be there for us to exist. On earth, what we need? We need water, air. And what is water? Water is product of a formula, H2O. For every 2 units of hydrogen, 1 unit of oxygen. And both are gases. When they combine, well, when you combine 2 gases, it's gas. But it appears as water. That's another topic, very interesting. That what appears is quite different from what actually it is. Okay, so we need water. Without water, we don't exist. We need air to breathe, of course, which has oxygen, nitrogen, and many other gases. Now, if the composition of the air, if the oxygen was much more, then it won't remain air. If the oxygen was less, then it's less than we need to exist. So, the precision is very important. Existence and precision of those objects, those things. Then we need trees. Without trees, which absorb carbon dioxide that we breathe out and release oxygen that we breathe in, so we are kind of dependent on each other. So we need trees. We need food. Well, we need earth to grow fruit. We need our ancestors from which we come. Then we need existence of atom, not only we, everything. Atom, then graduating into cells. Cell subdivision is needed. If the cells did not subdivide, no organism would be formed and be able to move and live. Then we need other species before us, from which we probably evolved. Without them, we just couldn't drop on earth, appear from somewhere. Then, in addition to earth itself, we need moon. Now, our moon is very special. It's probably the largest moon compared to the planet that it orbits. Moons of all the other planets are very small in relative terms. So a large moon which can actually help rotation of the earth, so we have day and night. And large moon which is close enough to have effect on ocean tides. When ocean tides rise, it pushes original life forms toward the earth. So the sea creatures come to earth, land, and they learn to survive and walk and climb trees and fly. It's a very interesting story. Then, for our moon and earth itself to exist, we need to have a sun, the solar system. So the sun is very special, gives us light, heat, energy, without which we couldn't survive. Then the solar system itself is not too close to the center of Milky Way galaxy and not too far. It is in a region of the Milky Way, which is a spiral galaxy, which is not too crowded with other stars and solar systems, or they would collide with one another more often. It's a kind of quiet region, not too far, not too close to the center. If it is too close, probably will be swallowed by black hole at the center. Or too far, then it may flung away and fly away from the galaxy. in the empty space. Nobody knows. So the point is that my existence, your existence, everyone's existence depends on everything else that exists. Not only that, but everything that exists the way it exists. Very precise structure. Everything is the way it is, so that you are the way you are. I am the way I am. Now, of course, the environment affects us, the society affects us, our culture, civilization, our knowledge, all those things have created us. And we must be thankful to the whole existence. And not only we and existence is separate, but we are part of existence. We emerge from existence. We are part of nature. We are a product of nature. Therefore, we have a very close symbiotic relationship with everything. If that doesn't exist the way it is, we don't exist. So we must support one another. We must nurture one another. Prevent, stop damaging our environment. Build a more intelligent society, more successful, more effective, more evolving culture, so that we can flourish and grow and develop into superhuman. Super means super than what we are now. And that should be the future we should look forward to, and not only that, but we should contribute to creating such a future. Thanks for listening. Meet you again. Until then, Namaste from Dhananjay.